I'll be showing you how to use your lightening body lotion correctly to prevent dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks, and the likes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Guys, today's video is all about lightening body lotion. We will be talking about how to use your lightening body lotions correctly to prevent dark knuckles, stretch marks, green veins, and unwanted bleaching. So if you have ever struggled with these skin concerns or worried about why your skin is getting lighter and darker in some places while using your lightening body lotion, then this video is for you. So make sure to stay, like this video, and also subscribe because you're going to be learning so much on this channel. Now, before we dive right into today's video, guys, please do me a favor and like this video. It goes a long way, okay? Now, let's talk about lightening body lotions because these body lotions are mostly designed to even out our skin tone, reduce the appearance of dark spots, and give us that lighter, beautiful, glowing complexion. When you buy these body lotions, they promise to fix all your skin issues and skin concerns. But the truth is, they can sometimes be tricky. When you start using them, you'll be expecting to have that smooth, even lighter, glowing complexion. But then you end up with dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks, and discolorations instead. It can be super frustrating. See, the reason you tend to experience this dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks, discoloration all over your skin is because you're not using your lightening body lotion correctly, or maybe you ended up buying a body lotion that contains hydroquinone or mercury and steroids. Now, you need to understand that there are certain ingredients that make a lightening body lotion work, and these ingredients include kojic acid, glutathione, alpha-arbutin, vitamin C, niacinamide, licorice extract, and even hydroquinone. In as much as I do not recommend you using a lightening body lotion that contains hydroquinone, mercury, and steroids, but is actually one of the ingredients that can help lighten your skin. I need you to understand that these lightening ingredients are effective when it comes to lightening your skin, but if you do not use them correctly in your skincare routine, it's actually going to damage your skin or give you the adverse effects like dark knuckles, green veins, and unwanted bleaching. Like, they can actually turn to your worst nightmare. I don't mean to scare you, but the truth is, every lightening lotion has its own usage and instructions. Now, before we dive right into how you can use these lightening body lotions and apply them on your skin to get the best results, let's take a look at some of the things you have been doing wrong with your lightening body lotions. And the first one we'll be talking about is abuse or overuse of your lightening creams. See, when you use too much lightening lotion on your skin or abuse your lightening body lotion, it can thin out your skin and your veins will totally become visible. Some of these lightening creams, when you overuse them, they can actually give you dark knuckles. Using your lightening lotion at a stretch without taking a break sometimes can be the reason why you're experiencing dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks, and the rest, because you're abusing those lightening creams. Like, most times, lightening creams is best to be used from a month to 3 months consistently, or you can use it at most for 9 months and then take a break. But most of you, when you're using lightening lotion, you want to pack every lightening ingredient into your skincare routine. For instance, when you're using a lightening lotion, I've talked about this before in my previous video on how to safely lighten your skin. If you're trying to lighten up your skin without bleaching your skin or having adverse effects like stretch marks, green veins, and discoloration, you need to ensure that you balance your lightening lotions with moisturizing ingredients, because when you're lightening your skin without feeding your skin with moisture, your skin is going to get thinned out and you're going to experience the adverse effects of skin lightening. So in other words, you need to use these lightening body lotions and try to take a break in between when using your lightening lotions in order to get the best results. Now, the next or second thing that most of us do is jumping to a body lotion that will give us 10 shades lighter skin tone when your skin is looking dark. Like, if you want to really lighten your skin without experiencing those adverse effects, girl, you have got to start gradually. Skin lightening is a gradual process. You don't need to get a strong lightening body lotion that will give you 20 shades lighter skin tone without passing through the first line. You need to avoid using strong lightening lotions. I don't know why you will have a dark skin and you're jumping to a body lotion that will give you 10 shades lighter skin tone when you have not even counted one shade lighter. You need to look for mild lightening lotions first, or brightening lotions with vitamin C and niacinamide that can actually help to even out your skin and brighten up your skin tone first before you would jump to the next stage of using a strong lightening lotion. This is why most of you end up with bleached and damaged skin, because you always want a body lotion that will give you 3 shades or 10 shades lighter skin tone without even looking to achieve a shade lighter first. And when you end up with those terrible green veins and stretch marks, you will start wondering what happened. Girl, you happened. You need to count 1 before you count 10. You cannot just jump to a lotion that will give you 10 shades lighter skin tone when your skin is looking dark. So learn to always start with a lightening or brightening body lotion that contains ingredients like vitamin C, licorice extract, niacinamide. Like, these are mild products that will lighten your skin before you start jumping into the abido shakers that will strongly lighten your complexion, like your kojic acid, your glutathione, and alpha arbutin. Like, these are strong lightening ingredients. That way you can be able to control the adverse effects and prevent your skin from having dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks, and discolorations, because you're starting gradually. Like, your skin will not even look like you're bleaching when you start with a brightening lotion and jump into a lightening lotion. Your skin is going to look even and well toned. Now, the next or third mistake we usually make with our lightening lotions that end up giving us dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks is the frequent use of lightening lotions without sun protection. Tell me why you're using a lightening body lotions both morning and night without using a sunscreen in your skincare routine. Like, most of your lightening body lotions contains ingredients that can make your skin to be sensitive to the sun. So you always need to add a sunscreen in your skincare routine whenever you're trying to lighten your complexion, because that is the way you can prevent your skin from all the sun damages like sunburn, green veins, and discolorations. Because most of the skin issues that we tend to face is as a result of sun exposure. Like, when you use your lightening lotion and you go ahead to expose your skin to the sun, your skin is likely going to get darker because you're working under the sun and you know that you're using a lightening lotion that can make your skin to be sensitive to the sun, and you're going under the sun without protecting your skin from the adverse effects of UVA and UVB rays, and you expect your skin to be looking lighter. Of course, you're deceiving yourself. Anytime you're buying your lightening body lotion, please make sure that you're buying a sunscreen alongside if you really want to maintain that lighter skin tone. Now, with all of that out of the way, let's dive into how to use your body lotion correctly to prevent dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks, and unwanted bleaching. Guys, I've taken my time to build a step-by-step guide on how you can apply your lightening body lotions to avoid damaging or bleaching your skin. And the first step is to prep your skin. Now, when I talk about prepping your skin, I'm talking about using a good moisturizing body wash or soap to cleanse your skin or properly wash your body. Like, you need to get in the shower and get all those dirt and oils on your skin out of your skin before using your body lotion. Now, this is where the first trick starts, because you definitely need to get rid of all those dirt and bacteria that is sitting on your skin before you go ahead to start applying your lightening body lotion. So you need a body wash or soap that will be moisturizing on your skin since you're already using a lightening body lotion. So for me, the Dove body wash works, or you can get the Sprucia shower cream. Now, once you're done cleansing your skin in the shower, the next step you need to follow is to always exfoliate your skin. See, the essence of using a body scrub in your skincare routine is to make your lightening body lotion work properly. So you definitely need to exfoliate your skin 2 or 3 times weekly if you really want to get the best results with your lightening body lotion. What this body scrub does is to get rid of all those dead skin cells that are sitting on the outer layer of your skin and preventing your skin from glowing. Like when you have dead skin cells on your skin, you will basically notice that your skin is looking dull. So whenever you notice that your skin is dull or is no longer glowing like you want, just know that you're not exfoliating your skin properly. So you definitely have to slough off those dead skin cells to allow your lightening body lotion penetrating deeply into your skin. Make sure to get a body scrub and use it 2 or 3 times weekly in your skincare routine. That way, you'll be setting an atmosphere where your lightening body lotion will be able to penetrate deeply into your skin and do the job that you really want it to do. So you can get the Cool Spa turmeric scrub or any other scrub of your choice and add in your skincare routine. So whatever scrub works for you, just make sure that you're exfoliating your skin 2 or 3 times weekly. Now to the main deal, which is applying your body lotion. Immediately you step out from the shower, pat your skin dry. Do not dry up all the water on your skin. Make sure your skin is still a bit wet. Then you can take whichever lightening body lotion you're using and squeeze it out. Squeeze out the body lotion into your palm. You do not need too much of your lightening body lotion. Like you don't need to fill your hand with your lightening body lotion when you're applying your lotion. Just take a little amount like this and spread it evenly on your body. Always apply your lightening body lotion on a wet skin. Do not apply your body lotion when your skin is already dried down. And when you're trying to apply your body lotion to your hands, if you want to avoid having dark knuckles when applying your lightening body lotions to your hands, you need to make a fist when applying your body lotion to your hands to avoid having dark knuckles, because these lotions can get in between your fingers and make that part to look lighter. Now, one thing I always advise my clients to do when using a lightening lotion is to go in with a moisturizer once you're done applying your lightening lotion in order to keep your skin hydrated. So you can use this Nivea Perfect and Radiant body lotion, or you can always use the CeraVe moisturizing cream. Like these are body lotions that will help to moisturize your skin. The essence of using these moisturizers is to keep your skin hydrated, because most of you use lightening body lotions that are so drying on the skin, so your skin do not get enough moisture when you're using your lotions. So you need to give your skin enough moisture to be able to lighten and radiate that glowing skin. So it's either you use a moisturizer or you can go in with a moisturizing body oil instead. Using a body oil or moisturizer in your routine will help to hydrate your skin and blend your complexion. So always take your time to massaging your body lotion. Do not apply your body lotion like someone that is rushing out. Take your time to massaging your lightening body lotion into your skin, because most times it's because you're not evenly distributing your lightening body lotions to your skin. That is why some areas on your skin might look darker and other parts might look a lot fairer. So take your time to massaging these lightening lotions, and immediately afterwards apply a body oil or follow up with a moisturizer immediately after that. Now, another thing I always tell my clients is to always take a look at the instruction for use or directions for use written on the back of their body lotion. Like every body lotion has a way it's supposed to be applied. Take for instance, this is QEI Plus Paris Gold body lotion. Their instructions here states that apply active harmony lotion once or twice a day on skin previously cleansed with active harmony exfoliating soap, insisting on hands, elbows, and knees for an optimal result. We advise to mix with active harmony serum. So this is the way the company wants you to use their body lotion. So if you really want the best out of your lightening body lotion, you need to follow the direction for use written on the body of the product, because these products have been tested out by the company and they have an idea of how it works, because they must have tested it and tried it and confirmed it by themselves before putting it out in the market. So try as much as possible to always read the instruction for use written on the body of the product you're getting and follow it. See, some other lightening body lotions would advise you to use them only at night, while some will tell you to use it both morning and night to achieve that fair, beautiful, glowing skin that you're looking for. So try as much as possible to always read the direction for use or instructions written on the back of the product you got before you start using it. That way you will have an idea of how to properly use that particular product you got, because every lightening body lotion is different, the ingredient is different, so you need to know what can go hand in hand with that particular body lotion to be able to achieve that beautiful, fair, glowing skin that you're looking for. Don't just go and buy body lotion and start using it both morning and night. Some body lotions do not want to be used during the day because it can make your skin to be sensitive to the sun, and that is why when you start abusing it or using it both morning and night, it can quickly thin out your skin, or it can damage your skin, or it can make your skin to be sensitive to the sun. Next thing, your skin might start looking darker. So my dear, whenever you're using a lightening body lotion, even if it's not a lightening body lotion, all body lotions have their own instructions for you. Now, once you're done with your body lotion application, the next step is to always use a sunscreen. Guys, I can never overemphasize the importance of having or using a sunscreen in your skincare routine. You need a sunscreen in your routine to shield your skin from the sun. So try as much as possible to add a sunscreen in your skincare routine when you're using a lightening lotion. That way you can get the best results out of your lightening lotion. Now, you need to understand that skincare is all about consistency. So try as much as possible to give your products enough time to work. Do not jump from one product to another because you're trying to achieve a lighter skin in a week. One mistake that a lot of you make is you don't give your body lotions enough time to work, and you're already ditching it or pouring or mixing different things into it to achieve a lighter skin tone. Give that particular body lotion at least a period of a month or two to see its effect before you ditch it and dive into another product. It takes consistency to achieve that lighter, beautiful, glowing skin, because any product that promises to give you 3 days or 7 days lighter skin tone is obviously a bleaching cream, and it will end up damaging your skin and leaving green veins, dark knuckles, stretch marks, and discoloration on your skin. So please avoid using bleaching creams that has hydroquinone, mercury, and steroids. Look for safe lightening body lotions that contain safe lightening ingredients and be consistent with them. And trust me, your skin is going to look evenly toned. Another thing I always tell people is to learn to give your lightening body lotions a break. Take a break. At least when you use your lightening body lotion for a stretch like a month to 3 months, discontinue it and take a break from that lightening lotion. Taking a break from your lightening lotions helps a lot. If you're able to follow all the steps and tips, guys, believe me, your skin is going to look fair, evenly toned, and uniform. So yeah, that is it on how to use your lightening body lotion correctly to prevent dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks, and bleaching. I hope this video was helpful. If you got up to this point in my video, you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Liking this video will mean so much to me. So please go ahead and like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. and do share your thoughts in the comment section. Catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.